desire on both parties to come to terms. You know, there are many issues to be discussed, but you could sense that there are positive vibes on both sides. So that's all I'm saying. I would say certainly within the year we should be able to reach an agreement. But as in the case of digital, that agreement will be subject to a number of conditions precedent for closing. Diba? The principal one is being approval of the government.
What's your referring to?
You're referring to GMA 7? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Any agreement that involves a complex transaction, that's usually conditions precedent before closing. So what I'm saying is that it is likely, or there's a chance, that an agreement could be reached within the year.
Between you and...
Yeah, between sellers and buyer. You make life difficult. But to close, the conditions precedent must be satisfied. There will be conditions precedent that are required on their side. There are conditions precedent that will be required on our side. Right? When all of those are fulfilled, then we have to give them the money, they have to give us their shares. Now, a principal condition precedent is the approval of the government. Now, how long that will take, we have no idea. Or indeed whether the government will approve it.
Sir, the investment will be done through Media Press ba? Media Press.
Ano ba restriction yun between one company or having two networks?
Ilan bang TV stations dito sa Pilipinas? Di ba marami? 2, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, the UHF stations, the cable TV, di ba dami? So, I don't think so.